I just saw someone peeping. Alright, so today is day 3 or day 4 of our journey. I've actually lost track of time. Good morning to all of you guys. It's raining really heavy in the morning. And I hope this rain doesn't last for long, because if the roads are blocked, then there's no way of us getting out of this place and going to our next destination. I just saw someone peeping. Vishal is sleeping, bro. Mast hai Baruch. Yeah, everybody is crewing about the rain. I'm just having my morning tea and relaxing, and then I'll go in for my shower, and then let's see what we're gonna do. Having a very simple breakfast. Pancakes and eggs. The only reason is because I got a really bad cold last night and I'm not feeling that well. I hope that doesn't hurdle my journey, but you need to eat right when you're not right. I just made that up, by the way. So we just got a small update. Apparently the main road to Kushalnagar is shut. Kurg is shut. So we're going to have to take a back road through a forest, through an area called Hansur. So literally we are going through a forest, and then we're going to find our way straight directly to Mysore. I mean, somehow I kind of like all these little upsets in the middle of a journey. I think it makes it more adventurous. It makes it more interesting, if you ask me. It's a good story to tell people whenever you have a bored conversation. Anyways, we are leaving Kurg. This place is so beautiful, I cannot imagine it. I really didn't believe that Karnataka would be so beautiful, especially the drive into Kurg via Kushalnagar. Must do, it's a must do. Alright guys, so we've just reached the beautiful city of Mysore, and from what I can tell, just driving through, it's a really well planned city, wide roads, most of the areas that I've been to. We've just stopped for lunch and we're just doing time pass. So, more time pass. Alright, so I just got done with lunch. Decided to try out how biryani tastes in Mysore. And it was pretty good. It was bland but flavorsome, not spicy. And I had it at this place called Maurya or something. I'll get back to you on that. I don't remember what it's called. By the way, the sun is shining. I don't think it's been 1 week since I've actually seen proper sunshine, because back in Pune it was cloudy. When we reached here it was cloudy and rainy and foggy and everything. But so I'm actually glad to see a little bit of sunshine. I don't know if I can get you any good time lapses in this series of vlogs because of the weather, but I still will try my best. Alright, moving on. We are going to be staying at the Grand Mercury. It's a 5-star property, and from what I've seen on Google, it looks beautiful. So let's go.